Welcome participants. I, Dr. Urmila Shravanankar, welcome you for this particular session, and this session is dedicated for the Google Drive. Google Drive is nothing but a one particular space allocated by the Google, and it is on the cloud. We can store your documents, presentation, Excel sheet, and many more type of files in that particular drive. What is the importance of that particular drive? In the old days, we used to keep our disk, floppy, pen drive with us. Nowadays, no need to keep any hardware device for your all files and all. Just you keep all these things in a drive, and then you can go anywhere, that your files will be available anywhere, everywhere, and for any time. That is very good feature given by the Google. Only the mandatory condition is you need to create your Google account, and then you can store it. Today I am going to explain about the importance of that particular feature. The Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It is launched in April 2012 for 24 April. Google Drive always allows user to store files on their servers, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Drive integrates seamlessly with the documents, sheets, slides, cloud native apps that enable your team to collaborate efficiently in real time. Means suppose I'm storing some files in the Google Drive, and suppose I'm giving the access of my Google Drive for some particular files to my colleague. So my colleague and me, both of you simultaneously can work on that particular document, so that all updated information will be shared by both of us. The programming language for developing the Google Drive service is the Python and the Object-C. Documents service is there. Collaborate on the document with teammates or the individual outside of your company, also from your organization or from outside of organization. Only again the condition, you should have the Google account, that is you can create using the Gmail. Sheet means make the data drive decision making easy, and for everyone analyze, visualize, and share the data through spreadsheet to make informed decision as a team. Means not necessary you are only working with that particular sheet. Your teammate or your colleagues also can access the same data. They can analyze and they can find the result. Slide means the presentation. At the time of preparation of the presentation, if you share with your colleagues, so they can also add some their own ideas as well as the content in the presentation, so that you will get the updated content. It presents your best work through the publish presentation, and use the template and suggestion to easy create and edit the presentation with your teammates. The Microsoft Office is also collaborating the new team in the Microsoft Office files, and without need to convert the file format with the real time real-time presence of the Office file. Multiple team members can work on the same file without worrying about the version and the control for that particular issue. Some other tools are also available there. The drive also support integrations with additional tool and the apps that your team may be using, including Adobe and other many more like a Salesforce, Stack, and all other softwares are available. You can share through the Google. 100 plus file types is available in that particular Google Drive. In addition to the doc, sheet, slides, and the Microsoft Office, The drive support over 100 types of file including PDF, CAD file, image file, video file, audio file, and many more. Google search. The drive features the same powerful search technology enabling your team to quickly and accurately find the right content. You can decide the priority, and for deciding the priority, nowadays artificial intelligence apps are available for predicting what you will be looking for that and when you will be getting that. Means for in future, I may require one particular file. So AI can find out what is the requirement after the current file and you will be getting that file on a single tap. You can explore feature, make content creation faster and more powerful, enabling your teammate as well as other colleagues for asking the question about the data and easily find and add the suggested content to your file. Means that file will be shared through Google Drive and your teammate or whom you are giving the access, they can work simultaneously on these files. Now some features are there like a drive file stream. The stream drive file directly from the cloud to your Mac or any PC, and any changes you or your collaborator make are automatically upgraded and synchronized. Data loss prevention. It prevents your data at the time of sharing the sensitive content in the people or outside of your team also. Though it is a shared one, but it is with prevention. Shared drive, shared spaces, where the team can easily store, search, and access their content. That particular feature is also available offline. If you don't have access to the internet, no problem at all. You can still create, view, and edit file in doc, sheet, slides. You make offline will automatically synchronize as soon as you have the internet connection. That is very good feature. Means once you create a drive, not necessary every time internet facility should be available. Now for the individual, you can store, share, and access your file and folders from any mobile device, tablet, or computer, and your first 15 GB storage is free, totally free. After that, suppose you want to purchase some storage space, that facility is also available for the business purpose or the individual purpose. And here, team means it helps your teammate to move faster with the source cloud-based collaboration platform, and that make it easy for you to share, store, and access your file. Means everything, whatever you are storing on a Google Drive, it will be available in cloud. Now I will be giving you the demonstration. Dear participants, I am Urmila Shravankar and I am giving you the demonstration for the Google Drive. This is a very small activity, but it is very, very important activity. And the Google, that is G Suite, and the Google is providing lot many cloud-based services. Among these cloud-based services, the Google Drive is very, very important because whenever, wherever you are there, you will be getting your files and everything. Google take care of storing all these things, and for storing, we need to prepare our own drive activity. Now I am giving you the demonstration for preparation of your own Google Drive. Now see, first you need to log in. I hope you are able to see my screen, and I have logged in with my Gmail account. My Gmail account is active and I have logged in with that. Now afterward, there is a Google Apps symbol is there at the right hand side. This grid is there and it indicates there are Google Apps are present. Now just I will click Google Apps, and from that Google Apps, just select the Google Drive. No need to do anything for that. It is available in your Gmail account only. But separately, if you want as a desktop, then you need to download that particular service from the Google. Okay. But it will be visible on your desktop and anyone can open that. Because if your machine is shared by some your friends or other one, then I will recommend you do not copy it on your desktop. Instead of that, you can start your that particular service through your Gmail account. Now this Google Drive is started. Now here it's a very good symbol and it is very user friendly thing. That is the new. Okay, just it indicates whatever the activity you want to do, just you start with a new. Okay, in that particular second one is my drive, means your drive is open now and you are connected with your drive because that particular link is active and the others are inactive mode. Then here share me, I will show you how to share that. Recently what are the activity you have done, it is showing over here. And finally the trash, means you can uh, remove that particular your activity, Google form and all these things into the recycle bin and it will store there. Now first I will click on new. In that new, there are options creating your folder, creating your file in the doc, in the sheet, or in the slide. Okay, then you can upload the folder, you can download the folder, and some more activity, means all the G Suite activities are over there, and it will, I think, in your this training session, automatically you will learn one by one in your schedule. Okay, today I will be telling you how to manage our own Google Drive. Now I am creating my own folder. Just I have created own folder. I will give my name, Urmila Demo, and I have created it. Okay. Now this folder is now empty. I open the folder as if double click, as if you are opening a normal folder. Into my drive, Urmila Demo. That folder is empty. Now suppose I create one particular activity, for example in the doc. So it will share into that particular folder. So I will see, you again go to the new, just open one particular Google Doc, blank doc. That your document is open. I will rename that document. It's okay. Now I will save that particular file. It is already in the save because whatever you do, it automatically saves. Okay. Now we will check it whether it is created or not. Then I will check. I will go there and just I have created one particular file over there. This Urmila doc is present there. Now I want to copy that particular my file into my folder. So just you can drag and you can drop it. Okay, it is so simple. Or you can right click, then copy, then move. There are many more options are there. Open with, share, shareable link, move to. Move to, you can copy that particular, just I will copy that particular into the move to, rename and all these things. We will copy that particular file. This is a slide created by me and I will say move to. So you can move that particular file. It is asking you where to move. Move to. It is asking you, I will just say into Urmila Demo. Okay, move here. And it is now available. I will open my Google Demo folder that is the into the my drive, and now two files are available. You can open it, you can do it as if it is your normal folder. So this is the first activity. You can create your own folder, whatever number of folder you can create, there is no restriction, and you can save your file into your folder. Now I will tell you how to share that particular folder, how to share that particular file with your friends and colleagues, so that they can also log in and they can also work with that particular file. So just you click on right click, then option is there, share. Now here you are getting the option. You can share with a people or a group. Generally in our institution, we prepare a group of a particular department and all. So directly you can share with a group. If you want to share with individually, you need to give the email ID of that. And one more good facility is there. Get a link, and then you can copy that link to your particular friend's WhatsApp number, Telegram number, or you can send that particular link through email. Now I will go there, change to anyone. Okay, then you can change the access over here. Now I will copy it afterward. Anyone with that particular link, anyone on that particular internet, they can view your folder. Now I am saying here, they can edit also. Okay, they can commenter, means they can comment, they can edit. Now that particular folder, particular link is editable. Now I will say just copy that link. Here it is given that link copied. Now I will say done. Okay, now you go to your Gmail account, compose, and you say send the link, share link, and just paste that link. Paste. Your link is available. You can send that particular link to your friend. Okay, I'm sending that link, send. Now I will get the email. I got the email, share link. Open that link, open that particular file. Now that particular is editable. It is available with wherever you are sending. Plus link is there. Link is with a hyperlink. You click on that link. You will get that particular file open on your machine. Got it? Urmila demo, and that file is open. And you can now edit. Means your friend also can edit same time you are editing. That is the, because it is a cloud base. So this is the importance of that particular drive, so that you can create your own files. These are shareable. You can share the complete folder, or you can share an individual file. Now also, whatever the demonstration I'm recording here, I will be sharing with your coordinator, so that your coordinator will get my demonstration for the display purpose. Okay, so this is in the My Drive. You can go there. You can check it, how many in My Drive, what are the things are available. You can open it as if it is a simple file, but advantage is these are shareable with your friends, with your colleagues, and wherever you are sending them. Okay, now you can check in the recent also. What are the activity you have done in the recent? Today we have opened the Google Doc. So it is available over there. Means you can find out what are the activities you are doing on that particular time. Now shared star also, you can make the star, like it is a very, very important. Suppose in the at present in the star activity nothing is there, but you can go to your drive, you can create any star activity. Just I will say that suppose flow chart, that is the share star one. So it will go there. share, move to, and you can move that particular file in that particular folder so that you will find out the important document in that particular folder. Okay. Now one file is added into the starred one. Open it, that particular file is open. Suppose you want to catch the importance of that particular file, you can make it starred. Okay, so you can do that so that if you forget what are the activity I want to do today, so you can open that particular folder and you will get the files open over there. So this is again very nice advantage. Now I will delete one particular file which is not important, suppose. These are all okay. Flow chart. This demo file is open there and I will remove that. You can rename also, I will show you. You can preview, means open that and you can check it. What are the contents open there? Open with. Suppose your file is a doc file and it is compatible with another version of the document, then you can open it as if we do every day. Then shared, I already told you. Get the sharing link, that also again I will repeat it. Show file location. You can find out the location in which particular folder it is available. Add shortcut to the drive. Now I will show that also. Move, already I have covered. Start also I have covered. Rename. I will rename that particular file. Instead of only demo, I am writing today demo. Today demo. Okay. Now name has been changed. That is the today demo. So this is the rename one. Then again make a copy. If you want to make a copy again, the duplicate copy will be available there. Report abuse, that is, forget about that. If you want to download, you can download it. Now I will show you how to download it and then you can remove that. At present I am removing that particular file. Now you go to the trash. You will get lot many files over there which are already removed, and this today demo file is also removed there and it is available here. By mistakenly, suppose you are removed, you can bring it again into your folder, restore it. Now it will be back into your demo folder, my drive, and it will be back into your file. Okay. Urmila demo. In that Urmila demo, that particular file is available. So these are the things available, and I will show you how to share, how to get a sharing link and how to upload and download. Okay. Now suppose I want to upload some file into this particular demo. So I will go to my computer. I hope it is visible to you. I will open my folder. In my folder, there are so many files are there. In that particular file, suppose I will open one particular file, this question GSUIT, and I will copy that particular file, Google Drive, that is the lecture. Select that and just you can drag and you can drop it. That's it. Means from your computer folder, you can bring that particular file into your drive. Now how to download that, that also I will tell you. Select that particular file and here right click and download option is also there. Okay. One more thing, here also some options are available. Same options are available which we get from the right click. I will say download and download, it is downloading. It is asking me where to copy that file. At present, I will copy it in any folder. Suppose I am copying it on the desktop. Save file, yes. File is saving into desktop. Now desktop, okay. There is no folder, or I will create one particular folder, that is the demo folder, and I will copy that file into the demo folder. Demo. Okay. And I will copy that file into the demo folder, the Google Drive. Now you can check it on your desktop. Yes, demo folder is created. and demo folder. You open that demo folder, you will get the Google Drive file. That way you can upload your computer file onto your drive and you can download it. Now I will share that particular file with you. Just you right click again, either you right click from here or you can go from the your desktop. This particular button is there. Okay, now I will say get shareable link. I have already told you how to share from this through email or from the link. Again, one option is there, how to get the shareable link. Click there. You got the shareable link. Okay, now again you change the permissions, editor, commenter, or the viewer. That time I said the editor, now I am saving viewer. Means that particular person will only open that file, that he or she will not able to make any correction there. Okay, doesn't matter. Copy the link. Now link is copied. Now you can check it whether it is open or not. I will go into my Google Doc file and just I will paste that. Copy CV. The action is unable. Okay. I think it is not copied properly. Copy link copied, done. Then I will open my folder, open any doc, today's demo folder, and in the demo folder, this Urmila doc is open. Just I will say Control V. The link is copied. Now this link is useful for your opening your file directly instead of going inside. And whenever we give the sharing access to your friend or your colleagues, you do not give the complete access to the drive. Generally, we give the access to the one particular folder or a particular file. Now I have given the access to that particular file. That means whosoever is opening that file, I'm sending that link, that particular person can open only that particular file and they can make the changes, they can view the file as per the access rights I have allocated to that particular person. This is all about the Google Drive, and there are inside the Google Drive, then doc, every document you can prepare, you can save, and you can, it is automatically saving option there. No need to go to the save and all. In the file share, these are the doc. I hope in the doc session, it will be covered. This is all about the Google Drive, and it is very, very important facility from the Google and the free of cost. Plus more one thing, you can see here, it is written over there storage, and under that storage 271.5 KB of 15 GB use means I am having access of 15 GB free storage capacity. Out of this, at present, I have opened that particular thing only for the demonstration purpose. Only 271 KB storage is occupied and the remaining storage is free. That means from the Google, you are getting 15 GB storage size free of cost. Just you need to log in to your email ID, and that email should be from the Gmail. So this is the thing. If you are having the requirement of more storage, there is an option buy storage. So you can purchase more storage space also. This is also available. Okay. Now one more thing. Go to the Google Drive. In that Google Drive, my drive, I told you how to upload, how to download folder. Then I will show you one more thing. Add shortcut to the drive. Okay, I am making that shortcut. Now it is asking you that shortcut you want on your computer or share with me or you want to make it in the starred one. So I already told you how to make a starred one, how to share it. Now I will show you how to make a shortcut on your computer screen. I will click on computer screen. Folder is empty. Okay. Just I will click on computer. I hope it is going to my computers desktop document and download. Desktop demo. You will get it in the demo folder. Okay, I will copy that shortcut on the computers. I have already copied that. Google Drive, one file is uploaded, it is complete, close it. Now I will make a shortcut. It is asking the drive. I have not created the drive on my particular desktop. If you create a desktop drive, then it will ask you to store into the desktop drive of your computer. Okay. At present, I have not created desktop drive over here. You need to download that particular app, software, then your drive will be available on your computer. You can go to that Google, make the Google Drive and just download that particular file. You will get that particular symbol, this symbol on your machine, and under that particular symbol it will copy that particular file shortcut into this. Okay, it will say add shortcut. My Google Drive. Now I am creating the complete drive shortcut. If it is not going file by file, I will select my drive and add shortcut. Shortcut added. Shortcut added to my drive. Sorry. My drive. I will get the shortcut over here. Download Notepad. The shortcut is created, but it has not asked the location, and that's why. Okay, we'll check the location. Get the Google Drive desktop, we need to download. Get the drive for the desktop, we need to download. I will say download. Then it is creating this file. Okay, on the desktop I will installer. I will show you that also, how to create that. I'm getting the installer, yes. Then I will connecting, downloading, and just it will install within few seconds. No problem. Download complete. It will install and I will get a shortcut on the screen. Wait for seconds for installation. You can install it at the beginning, no problem. But yes, now here you are getting the Google Docs, Google Sheet, everything is available. Got it? Google Slides, Google Doc, Google Sheet. Means because I have installed Google Drive over there. Now we can open that Google Doc. and directly you can open from your desktop only. No need to go to your Google Drive and then create the doc. Directly from your desktop you can create a doc. So this is the shortcut available on your desktop. Okay, it is opening. Now it has opened the Google Doc. Yes, it has opened the Google Doc, and then you can start all your files, and this it will be on that particular folder. If you want to store, yes, you can store this. Now on the desktop or your laptop, your drive is ready. Okay, now I'll show you. But a login is compulsory over here. Once you log in, then your this drive will be open there. Then it is asking about at your laptop or wherever you are choosing the folder. Now I am selecting on desktop. Okay. Now say next. Now synchronize with your drive. If you want to synchronize with your file, means where whatever you are storing into file, automatically it will get reflected to your drive on the desktop. Synchronize only some folder, that option is available. I'm synchronizing that. Install complete, close. Now look at now that folders and everything is available on that particular on your screen, Google Drive screen. This is available. Slide this one and demo. Now open that demo folder, or you can open the doc. We have created doc. At present for this one is empty. Now I will shift my file. This file I will shift into my shortcut folder. Open Google Drive. Yes. And this drive is open from my computer. I hope it is visible to you now. Now this is, it is written here, Google Drive. This is computers, and this my laptop, it is open. And all the folder which I have created over there, these are available. Now you can store your document and everything in that. I'm closing this particular one. And I will show you how to copy your file into your folder. This file, I will close this also. This is the email. Okay, only the Google Drive is open. Now I will copy that Urmila doc folder into desktop drive. Add shortcut to my drive. Now on my computer, laptop, document. I will go and this in the document, these two are there, it is MD. Okay, added shortcut. But now we need to find out where is that particular folder. My computer, laptop, my computer, my laptop, my desktop, Then you need to check where you are copying. Document, downloads are there. Documents, and in that document it has created. We need to find out the location. That is only your job. Student, here, where is documents? This is sheet. So this is document. This folder is available, Google Doc. Google Doc. It is opening. Yes. Sheet we do not want. We want the doc. Open. It is opening. This doc folder is opening over here. Now in that particular doc folder, it is copied everything here. You can see now Urmila doc. That file I have copied from my Google Doc to my Google Doc shortcut. Got it? So this is the shortcut, and 2 times I have opened. That's why it is showing 2 times. But the shortcut is created on your desktop. So that way you can use your folder anywhere, everywhere, and it is also available with a shortcut on your computer screen, or you can share with your friend, that your friend also can access the same document, and they both of you can edit the document simultaneously. So this is all about the Google Drive from my side. If you are having any questions, and if you want any question answer and all, you can send the query. I will reply your query. I hope you are already seen the importance of that Google Drive and all through the lecture. And this is my contact details. You can contact me. Definitely I will answer your query. Thank you so much. Thanks.